Welcome to the Learning Enhancement Academic Portal. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a forum using your teacher account. Log in using your teacher account. Choose the course for which you want to create a forum. Select the week where you want the forum to be placed. Turn on Edit mode in the upper right corner of your screen. At the bottom, click Add Activity or Resource. Select Forum from the list. Pause for Moodle's description of forum. Click Add. Write your forum name and description. In the Forum Type section, you can select the type of forum you want. Pause to read. In the Availability options, click the checkboxes if you want your forum to have a due date and cutoff date. Select the time and date for the due and cutoff dates. You also have the option to set a limit for attachment file sizes. Explore other options available for further customization. After configuring the forum settings, click Save and Display. You will be required to write a subject and message for your forum. Click Post to Forum. You can see all the forums you have posted. To check your latest forum, click on it. That's it. You've successfully created a forum. To show the student point of view, log in using your student account. Select the course and then navigate to the forum. This type of forum is set to only show other students' answers once you have submitted your answer. To answer, click Reply on the right side and write your answer. That's it. If you want us to create more tutorials, feel free to comment on the next topic you want us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe. For more information, we provided a FAQ section at the bottom of LEAP's homepage. If you ever need assistance, our support team is just a click away. You can reach out to us via phone and mail icon at the bottom. Thank you for choosing LEAP. We are here to take your learning experience to new heights.